Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to Makeup in Time with Julia. Oh, my intro though. Anyway, so guys, on my, I made a video over cost of living and house prices and stuff like that. The next video that's supposed to follow that video would be what can you do with the current living crisis. What can you do to earn extra money? This one is really close to me. This video I'm about to make is really close to my heart, so I'm just gonna go through the list. What can you learn with your hand? You can never be too old to learn a new skills. You can never be too old to put your mind into something that can earn you 10 pounds here, 20 pounds there, just to help yourself, just to elevate yourself, just to, boost up your financial, whatever that is, just money here and there. For example, let me quickly talk about myself. For example, when I was in Liverpool, even when I was back home in Italy, I was known as a hairdresser. That was because growing up, my elder sister was a hairdresser. My cousin, actually went to hairdressing school and training and stuff like that. My younger sister, just after me, she picked it up. She became a hairdresser. Like just making hair at home. So I was the one that was left out. Remember when I asked my younger sister, I used to have back then very healthy, healthy hair and stuff like that. I used to tell my younger sister, can you please, make my hair? She would be like, oh no, you don't want, Julia, you don't want to learn how to do hair. I'm not doing that. Yeah. I was forced, to start learning how to do hair. Then I started using my mom as well as my younger sister's hair to just start making hair. So it becomes something that I earn money from. So during Christmas, growing up, during Christmas, people, me and my younger sister, we would book appointments. People would come to the house. We make my mom, my aunties, my, people around us. We would get money. We would spread that money between us too. Anyway, so that travel with me. When I was in Italy, I would travel from city to city to go and make uh, girls' hair and stuff like that. At one point in life, I also learned how to cut hair. I started, cutting my son's hair. It get to a stage where you'd be like, oh, mom, don't cut my hair anymore. Anyway, enough of myself. So the hair are the thing you can learn how to do that can earn you 10 pounds here, 20 pounds there, just general stuff, then maybe you want to top up. Be like, oh, I got 10 pounds there. Anyway, so number one, learn how to do cornrow. Here is why you should learn how to do cornrow. Not only if you learn how to do cornrow, you can do cornrow for yourself. If you have a daughter, you don't have to take your daughter to the salon to go and do cornrow. You can do for your daughter. When you take your daughter to school or your son to school, because cornrow is not just restricted to a girl. Boys and girls are doing cornrow. When I was in Liverpool, I was known as doing hair. Like as I said, making hair. He traveled with me to Italy, from Italy to Liverpool. Is only where I am right now, Manchester area, that I stopped because of full time and I wanted to get mortgage and stuff like that. But it was based, that time was just like a self-employed thing, and I used to make money off it. Okay, so learn how to do cornrow. Not only you will save yourself money, you will also, when you take your daughter to school, you can tell the teacher in school that, oh look, I make my daughter cornrow. I can do. You can charge 10 pounds here, 5 pounds there, 20 pounds there. You can, even high school, children, they like to do cornrow, all that stuff like that. College student, or if you learn how to do cornrow, you're gonna gain this. Then another thing you can then learn how to do makeup. Yes, I've always, growing up. Yeah, again, growing up, all these things are always like the skills I learned back growing up. I think I was 13. I would just go to my elder sister and my mom makeup kits, messy about just learning. By age 14, I've already know how to, wear makeup. I wasn't good at it, but I just like the results. I just like the result. So I learned how to do makeup. Then I wear makeup all my adulthood, even the time when you cannot get a shade of my shade. You know what I mean? Yeah, all that stuff. Then eventually YouTube come along. Then I learn most of my makeup skills and read as well. I do go on Google and read about things as well and read. So learn how to do makeup. Not only when you are going on a very important event, you can sit there and do your own makeup, as well as you can even take a next step, practicing on your daughter, practicing on people around you. You can even start making money when people are going an event. You know, you can have 5 or 10 people, maybe graduation, prom, all that stuff. You can gather people and just, you know, all these are extra money. Learn how to do makeup. Not only will save you money, it will also is a skills. Never too old. Another thing you must learn how to do is nails. You see these nails? Bad girl nails. I made it myself. Yes, again, go back to me growing up. I always love the idea of nails. I always love, and I used to like black nails for some reason. My mom used to call me Goth, the Goth girl. Anyway, so learn how to do nails. Start practicing on yourself. Watch videos, read article about nails and stuff like that. You're not just gonna learn by watching video. Also read, you know, the theory, the color blending, the this and that, what is good, what is not good. Learn how to do it. Not only we save you money. I can't remember the last time I went to nail shop to go and get my nails done. It has been years now since I started doing my own nails, because I'm a type of girl who I just no. Apart from the fact that I save money off it now, I'm sure full set now is this one. I'm sure it will be about 40 to 50 pounds now to get a full set. Okay, I did this myself. Apart from me saving money, if anyone want to do nail this local area right now, I can just sit down and do their nail. 40 pounds there, 40 pounds here is money that you can earn for yourself. Once you spend that initial amount of money, you get all the nail stuff from Amazon and eBay. Go on eBay. That's it. That's it. So yeah, another thing you must learn how to do, which at one point in life I was also going to learn how to do this, is knitting. I love knitting, but I can't knit. That is one thing I try to learn. I just cannot grasp it. I can't. I can't. Maybe if I put my mind to it, maybe I will also know how. Learn how to do knitting. You know, the knitting stuff, you go to the market, you get the stuff, you practice. Once you start knitting and you have a, let's say you open Facebook or YouTube or Etsy or Instagram, you will get customer, especially if you're me. I like knitting. If I know someone around me here that can knit, I will tell them, knit this style for me, and I will rock it. Learn how to knit. Not only you're gonna enjoy it, you're also gonna start making money off it. You start selling on Facebook. If you have learn a new hobby, okay, hobby, that's what I put there. Then another thing, sell your old clothes on eBay. If you have old clothes, this is the something I have not been doing. Yesterday I entered my wardrobe, all the dresses, both the one I have worn, both the one I have not worn, because I have gained so much weight. Those days when I bought those dresses, I was size 8 to size 10. Now I'm now size 12. I'm almost gonna go size 14. But I hope I stays like this. So my whole wardrobe is gonna change. So I brought some out the other day, gave it to my daughter. Those are the time when you know, money was good. I can actually say she saw one of my dress yesterday, long dress, beautiful dress, Monson, the brand, something like that. The tag is 180. My daughter screamed, "Mommy, you spend 180 pounds." Either I will redo that clothes or I will put it on eBay, because it's a stunning dress. It's a dress you can wear to event. You know, something like that. You can put it, because there is this tag on it. With the tag, with the initial price, you can put it on eBay. You know, stuff like that. Sell your old clothes. Get yourself some money. So yes, these are the stuff you need to learn how to do. So I will move on now how to save money. Okay, so how to save money, and you can save money here and put into another thing. You save money here and put into this. How to save money? This one, save money. Buy stuff in bulk. Like me right now, when I go to market, I can say I'm gonna spend like 100 pounds or 150 pounds. Supermarket is almost like I need milk, cheese, and yogurt, and you know, maybe cereal for the children. Then I'll go to supermarket. Everything else I get in market. Supermarket, because of their madness when it comes to fish and meat, rice, you know, all them big stuff, I will go to the market. Let's say I'm a rice lover, like eating rice. I like my pounded yam. I like my greasy Africa food. What can I say? Anyway, even pasta. Buy a book. When you buy a book, it lasts you, not only save you money, it will last you forever. Okay? When you go to the market, save £100 or £150, go to the market and buy book, a bag of big rice and stuff like that, as long as you have a storage. Buy a book when it comes to food. Okay, then another thing is go to the different store when you want to really save money, especially if you drive. Go just like me. I just nip out to Morrison and I buy everything in Morrison. I come home, I come and moan about it. But I'm trying now, though. I'm trying now, you know. Like I said before, I go to market these days now because no, it's just not on. It's just not on. I get the quality stuff like steak, you know, beef, lamb, goats, salmon, all this big bag of rice, yam, all them stuff now. Big bag of pasta. I buy them in market these days. So go to different store, I said. Then another thing that will save you money, okay? For example, I bought a coat during summer. Yeah, during summer. Is coat, elegant coat to go outside. Yeah. I bought it half, when I mean half of the price, or even less than half of the price. And high end, I mean. I got it from a House of Fraser. So put it in my wardrobe. I got it in summer. So because I got that winter clothes in summer, and I save a lot of money on that specific item. So buy summer clothes in winter and buy winter clothes in summer. You will be like, Julia, you are crazy. When I went to Primark the other day, I went to Primark, I got this. I got two of these. One is yellow and I got few stuff. Guys, this thing has been reduced. Let me see if I can find the tag again. Yeah, this whatever I'm wearing right now. Here is the tag. It's cute on me. You know, my right size. What size have I got? UK. What is the size? Oh, size 12 UK. Okay. The original price was £11. Okay, this was £11. So when I went there, from £11 to £3 each. Is that not a bargain? So I can wear this when I'm at home during this winter, and I can also wear this during spring, during summer, and stuff like that. So buy winter clothes in summer and buy summer clothes in winter. So that will save you a lot of money. So yes, all these are all the list of the stuff I have for you today. What you can do to save money, as well as, you know, what you can do to save money, as well as what you can do to earn extra money. So yes, this is how the life is right now in England. We just need to keep pushing and pushing, and yeah, it's really, really tough on everyone. If you are living in the UK, you know what I mean. Winter is coming now. So yes, that is now the end of this video tonight, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you fancy a video, oh my god, I sound so local. Anyway, if you like this type of video where I will just sit down and do a chit chat with you guys, just let me know on the comment below what other area you want me to cover. Okay guys, so yeah, that is the end of this video tonight, and I will see you guys on my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Wink. Saving.